Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to change the owner on a ClickUp task, reassigning responsibility to another workspace member in just a few simple clicks. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your ClickUp account. Head to app.clickup.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll want to navigate to the specific task whose ownership you need to transfer. You can get there through your sidebar. Browse to the relevant space, folder, or list until you find it. Click on the task to open it in the detail panel. ClickUp will pull up everything attached to that task: the description, due dates, comments, and the field we're interested in right now, the assignees section. You'll find it near the top of the task, usually just below the task name itself. This is where ClickUp tracks who is responsible for the work. Click on the current assignee's avatar. A drop-down will appear showing all the members available in your workspace. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm you're picking the right person. You'll see names and profile pictures to help you identify everyone at a glance. Select the new owner from that list. Their avatar will now appear in the assignees field, which means they are officially assigned to the task. If the task previously had multiple assignees and you want the new person to be the sole owner, this is the moment to remove the previous assignee. Simply click on their avatar again and deselect them from the list. Once that's done, verify that only the new owner's avatar shows in the field. That's your confirmation that the handover is complete. Now here's a step that a lot of people skip, and it really matters. Add a comment on the task to let the new owner know about the change. A quick note explaining the context. Any deadlines or next actions will save them a lot of guesswork and keep the work moving smoothly. Just type your message in the comment box at the bottom of the task and hit send. ClickUp will automatically send the new assignee a notification about the task, but leaving that comment ensures they have everything they need right there in context. When you're done, close the task window. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the owner on a ClickUp task. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it keeps your team's accountability crystal clear. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.